so if you've got autism like me, it's overstimulating, but I'm going to try and keep it cool as best I can, and yeah. So I don't know if I said it before, but I'm sorry about how I haven't done any proper video posts in a while, and yeah, let's get into it. Let's go. So basically, I thought I'd just catch up, you know what I mean? And yeah, let's do this. So, like I said, I'm sorry about how I haven't done the video posts in a while. So like I said, I don't tend to come here a lot because it's a bit far distance to me. So if I don't talk all the time, this is pretty good for me to talk in public like this. Social anxiety, you know what I mean? So yeah, if there's someone who listening for some reason, sorry about that. Just the camera a bit more. What I'll probably do is I'd say, I think here, I'll probably just adjust the camera so you can see a little bit better. Okay, it's better. It's quite far from me. Yeah, there we go. Let's go down here. This is going to be interesting. Let me go down this tunnel. Oh, stop right there instead of... Whee! See, I really hope that... I mean, I understand you need to do film videos, I don't mind that. I can promise you that throughout the summer, and I don't normally make promises, like, I normally get huge anxiety over them. So I'm going to try and keep my promise. I'm going to say to you, I can tell you there's going to be some pretty epic videos. Coming up anyway. Sorry about the roughness of the camera. Probably what I need to do, depending on if you like this bike video, if you like it then I'll probably get a proper couple on. For now this is just a phone holder that I've put on my bike. And I'm so glad you like my YouTube shorts. That way? Or that way? Which one looks more dangerous? This way? Nah, this way. Also, I have to go back up to it because sorry about that. Something about the phone. Oh my gosh. I'm going to show you the view. I don't know, like I said before, it's pretty far from me. Pretty cool, Rebel. Okay, sorry pigeons. I just dubbed your presents. Let's keep on going. Where out? Where's the first side? Oh, let me stick there. Oh my gosh, this is so stupid. No, why do my legs have to go? Well, guys, quickly just stop for a second. I know laces. Okay, I'm gonna put you here for a second if you don't mind. Say hello to the nettles if you really want to. So yeah, I do hope this, makes up at least for some of me not used posting YouTube videos, but there's some exciting stuff to come. Well, I'd say something exciting anyway. This is a cool ruin. Pretty cool. I'm so hot, guys. I'm so sorry about this. I'm gonna quickly take my jumper off. So I'm literally boosting the flames. I think it's about 20 degrees where I am. 22. I don't know, but yeah. And I thought I'd answer this question. I don't know if anybody ever asked them, but there's one thing I'd like to say. Because I'm pretty sure I've commented on YouTube before, and I'm pretty sure they thought I was a boy, but I can promise you I'm a girl, I'm not a boy. Just sometimes I have a deep voice. Sometimes I have a deep voice. Depending on who I'm talking to. Whether or not, I don't know who I'm talking to. But yeah. And if you guys have any suggestions on this video on places, not places I should bike, but if you don't know, just like me going on bike rides. I hope you don't mind, but I think I might walk a bit because ow. I sort of know where I am. Robin. An actual Robin. This is gonna be fun. Sorry guys, I didn't edit that out or anything. Somehow before my phone just stopped recording. So sorry guys. If you anyone else to voice, I can promise you no editing, no nothing. Didn't do that bit. But I've just realised. I'll catch you up in case I ended up just saying some of it or didn't. I was just saying why I say my disorders a lot, and it's because I don't know if all of you know this, but people with autism mask and they're someone else, and my mum knows that I do this a lot. Well, not myself, I'm someone else. Try to act like other people, try to be normal. And the reason I say my disorders a lot is because it's what my brain thinks. I think when people look at me, they say I'm normal. I don't have anything wrong with me. And in some cases, that's a good thing. Sometimes I like to be normal, but in some cases, like if I'm learning or something, I don't get something, they expect someone like normal to not get it. Like I understand some people are normal, can't get it. And I think people who are normal sometimes can't get something. We're not just not well, yeah, if you know what I mean. I'm trying to explain but sometimes that's why I sort of say my disorders up. Well, I understand if you think it's annoying. Like I've only probably just noticed this, that I say my disorders a lot. I need to try and say special needs because I don't know about that when you say disorders, but special needs. And yeah, I hope that's what this things up. But yeah, and I do hope you enjoy me going on bike riding and just explaining stuff. And if you've got any ideas for any more videos, if you want me to do any videos again, I'm trying. Like another thing, I'm struggling to. I'm going to be honest with you. I want to try and be as honest as well. I'm allowed to be. Not in a way like somebody's like threatening me or anything, like in a way that communicating the channel was going to be, and why I haven't been doing videos lately, and that I can promise you that's true. It's not on slacking or anything. Honestly, it's just I've been struggling to think of content ideas. So yeah, and I've got sorts of new Lego. I got some of my friends' Lego because they didn't use the Lego anymore, so I've got a bunch of new Lego because I'm just trying to think of ideas for it. So yeah, if you've got any ideas, I'd be really good. No parking. Pretty sure I can go around here. Yeah. So, yeah. Oh, my stocks are going fast. Okay. Where should we go next? Let's do something weird. It's like up here. But I know there's something happening. Actually, first off, are there really conkers on the ground? Is that really a conker? Ow. 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 Okay. There's a conker. Bit early for conkers. Let's see if we can get it open. I have an idea. Take it home, or I'll take it to my house. It'll take me a while to get back. So yeah, I'm gonna go backwards. In the next video I'll let you know if it was a conker. I'm pretty sure it's a conker. Instead of going on the path, I'm gonna go down here instead. This is not mine. Yeah. Let's go this way. There's not really going to be a straight direction. It's going to be going around. Here there's the sea. What's down here? Pretty sure I'm near stepping stones. I'm not going to go in there because I feel stepping stones then. I'm in a stick situation, so I'm going to turn around instead. This is sort of the same way. Go down here and hope we don't end up into any casualties. Easy casualties. Where are we? Well, this is not creepy at all. This is going to lead to a secret place that's never been seen. Battles everywhere. Well, not exactly secret. So that. I think we're just going down around slightly. So that just. I want to say I've gone down there again at least. Pretty sure that's the bridge I was at before. So that's rather annoying. Let's just go this way. I hope we haven't gone around this circle again. I can promise you that bridge. Oh no, I know where we are. Sort of know where we are. Oh boy, we're actually on together. Well. sorry about that. I'm gonna have a fun time getting back to line from where I need to be. Let's go see that sign I posted over there. Honestly, don't come where I feel. So this way. Wah! How long has this video been? 8 minutes. Plus, I don't know how many before. I'm going to try and keep this video to 15 minutes. Because I have a theory. Ooh. A bit muddy down there, but I just could go down that other side. Do you think I should go down there? If you can see that, but it's like a lake with a river thing. Should I go down? Should I go down? I need to do something. I wish I had the courage to properly speak in public while I'm whispering it. I'm gonna keep on going this way and see where we get to. That way? So keep on going. Keep on going this way. Thank you. Oh my god, gosh, a lot of people. Fine. It's gonna be fine. Oh, I'm gonna be fine. Fine. Oh. Give me a minute, I'm just gonna. Sorry guys, I just have to do this. Put it on. I'm so sorry guys, there's just a lot of people, I didn't really know what to do. I hope you don't mind doing that. I understand it's okay. I really wish I could just be able to speak in public, but I have no clue where I am. Let's just go this way. Yeah, look at that. If that's the video, I'll explain why it's either one of two reasons. Number one, I got too much, or I accidentally did it by accident. Or number two, or number three really. But we'll just go with number two, less complicated. It could have been, I'm looking at the maps. I'll match you up. I'm going to quickly stop here, look at maps. So what up, I'm back. That's where I am, and I've realised I can go a little bit more on, and then yeah. Let's go down. Thanks. Should we go down? Should we go up? Let's go down. Whee! Very happy I changed the game, but it's not giving enough. I really just took gear and that doesn't. Wow. Actually, I think I know. Sorry about that. I had to turn. I'm right. Another thing, I'm gonna tell you the truth. I film on my iPhone, like for filming on my iPhone, and hey, all, sorry about that. I'm gonna tell you the truth. I'm filming on my phone, and let's just say I ran out of storage. So I've just deleted, and I have some more storage. So let's get back into this. Let's keep on going this way. We've pushed back. Well, not really. They've pushed back the rain, but it's not going to rain for a little while than I thought it was. So I'm going to need about a couple hours to get back home. I won't be filming the process of that because I'm not going to be showing where my home is. But yeah, let's keep on going. Keep on going. Oh, that's nice, cool, fresh air. Actually, I'm going to be one of those really weird people and be that really weird person. I'm going to sit down on this bench because I'm very thirsty. So, taking me off my bike. And I'm going to... How do I do this? Just put my bike in. Stay bike. I'm going to sit here. I'm going to get my backpack out. So that's what we call multitasking. Yeah. What have I got in here? Sort of forgotten everything I put in here. No. Wrong thing. Fact. One of the only drinks I drink, Ribena. And I'm going to be one of those people again, since I'm holding my phone. I'm going to just drink it from the top. Actually, I just realised another small problem. Let's just say my helmet's the type of helmet where I'm going to struggle. Nope. Give me a minute. I need to put my straw in. I'm sort of multitasking here. Give me a minute. Hey guys, I'm back. That's the second time I had to do it because I thought I pressed play. This is not going too well. My helmet's the type of helmet that goes over, like a motorbike's helmet. So yeah. After this, I came from the right. I'm going to go to the left. So yeah, on this channel I'm trying to be as honest as I can be. As honest as I want to be. I know it's being not selfish, but stuff like location, my real name, I'm not going to be saying. I'm probably not going to do that till I'm 18. And wait a minute. Sorry about that. Some people walk past, as you saw. So yeah. Like I was saying, I'm trying to be as honest as I can be. Like I said, location, name, stuff like that. I won't be doing. And I'm 12 years old, so I know it's a while. I know what you mean. I know what you think. So yeah, but you know. Let's get back to this. Where's my? Wait. I actually just thought I'd. Oh wait. Shut my backpack. Just, yeah. Right. Let's. In a minute, let's rock and roll. Come on, bike. You can move yourself. Shame bikes can't do that. It's going to put you back where you were before. I'm honestly starting to wonder if this video is going to be 20 minutes. If it is, I end up cutting. I'm trying to keep it as best I can. If it's half an hour, I'm sorry. But if you think it's bad and I've wasted half an hour of time. Anyway, I hope you don't think it's bad, because let's just say the place I'm going to go, well, the place I'm at, I'm not saying where I am, because it's a little distance away from my home. I actually hate coming here. I know that sounds crazy, but I just thought it'd be a good place to do a video. Sort of. That doesn't make sense. I actually hate coming here with the rest of my fam. So, I really hope you're grateful. It's a fun fact. However much stuff you delete the first time, so how I've moved places, let's just say I had another casualty. And they probably think, oh yeah, another excuse, but I'm terrified of bees. Well, things like birds, I guess, sort of in a way. And let's just say, I can't remember what it's actually called, it was sort of a buzz, I guess. It freaked me out. Actually, hypersensitivity doesn't really have much to do with it. Well, I was just getting really anxious, which is why I sort of, I just realised. Anyone remember this from earlier? Looks like I've gone around in a circle. I'm going to stop filming in a little bit. I'm going to have 5 minutes left. I'll end the video, and I hope you enjoy it. Just to let you know, this is on a slight hill. I'm quite strong, but I didn't put my bike onto the right gear. Thank you. Right. Just walk on this bit. I think you can probably see where it's because I'm pretty much gone in not really a loop, more of a twisty sort of loop. And yeah, sort of and once I get to the point, I do hope you enjoy this video, and I hope it makes up. And I know I'm about to say something I don't normally say, and I completely understand, but I have a goal for subscribers. It's not too big, and I kind of wondered if I could possibly, it's a big ask, well from my point of view it's a big ask, but I wondered if by the end of the year I could have at least 50 subscribers. I understand, I completely understand. No, you don't want a YouTuber who doesn't do enough content. A YouTuber that struggles to figure out what to do, or figure out what content to do. Oh no, you don't want something like that. I know it's a big ask, and yeah. But one of the things that I want you to help me out with is, I wonder if you give me some ideas. If you have any ideas of things I could do, things that. Give me a minute. Actually, might seem possible, but yeah. Then please just comment down this video. I really think it was helpful. Like, if you've got any ideas, like, yeah. And so yeah, I've been nearly at the end of it. So I think what I'll do is I'll say goodbye now, because I've got a big hill to climb, and yeah, I do hope you enjoyed this video. Please, if you, I understand you're not going to help with my goal of 50 subscribers by the end of the year, and even more. Like, I know it's a huge ask, but it would really help. And I'll see you, you, and all of you in the next video. Have a great day, have a great week, and my video schedule, it's terrible, it's horrible. I think at this point I'm not going to have a video schedule. I think it's just going to be as best I can. And yeah, like I said, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye! Also, P.S. I might be making an adventure theme song. Possibly. I need to think of the lyrics because I might do my own theme song. And P.S. please subscribe and like down below for more adventures. It would really help out the channel. And yeah, see you in the next video.